Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to edit your Ecover graphic templates without Photoshop. What we're going to use is Pixlr. It's pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. It's a free web-based graphic editor. It's a very good one. It's a free, no charge, and you can do a lot of cool stuff here. So once you go to Pixlr, just go to the Pixlr editor right here. And now we can load the image. So when you go back to your your product, you will see in the Ecover graphics you have all the folders of all your Ecovers. You can see here PSD files are for the Photoshop files. If you have Photoshop, you can edit these covers in Photoshop. PNG files are just preview files, so you can see how it looks like. And the no Photoshop files are the ones that you can use in Pixlr. We're going to use this one in this example. So let me go back to Pixlr and go and click Open Image from Computer. And now we'll go right here. And here we go. So and now all we have to do is to add the text. To make it to customize to whatever text we want. So we can do the similar thing. So it's list building monster and just let's replicate the thing. If you have Photoshop, it's a bit easier because you can just select the text and change it. With Pixlr, you have to add the text yourself because there's unfortunately no other way to do that. Okay, so let's add the text. In order to do that, just click the T on your keyboard or just select the type tool on the left right here. Let's do list building. Let's also make it the white color. Let's make it also big letters, list building. And let's select some nice font. Let's see. It seems that it loads my fonts from your computer, so we can just see what font did I use here and just select the same font. So it's Columna rounded. You can really select any font you want. It's really up to you. Okay, here we go. So let's make it bigger. Okay, that's good. Once you add the text, go and click the move tool on the left. So now you'll be able to actually move this this layer. You can see also in the layers, here are the layers of different graphics. So let's center it up a bit, something like that. It's good. We can also add the shadow as it is right here. Go to right click in the layers and select layer styles. Now we can click drop shadow. Let's make it similar, so maybe a bit like that. Okay, maybe do similar color to this one, maybe a bit darker green, a bit darker. Okay, good. Let's do OK, and let's add now monster. So just do the similar thing. We'll make it a bit bigger to make it similar to our example. Okay, good. Let's make it a bit more green. You can select the color right here. Let's make it a bit dark green. Okay, we can also move this layer wherever we want, and let's maybe add a shadow. So right click on the monster in the layers window and select layer styles. Now go to the drop shadow. Let's do a distance 1, and let's do the color white so it goes nicely inside this green background. Okay, click OK, and it's done. You can also move it around to make sure that it looks good, and That's pretty much it. Let's add now this tag, simple 5-step formula. I'm just going to copy that. Let's make it smaller. Let's do the white color. You can see this font is a bit hard to read, so let's select a different font. Let's see. Let's do this one, and let's do a font size a bit smaller, not too small. And now I'll have to add some new breaks. Let's see, start generating a hungry without paying for traffic. Alright, let's do it centered, and let's center it up like that. Click OK. You can see it's down. Let's select the move function. Let's move it a bit. We can add the shadow again. Just right click layer styles, drop shadow, and let's do it all again, one distance. And also colors, do a darker blue so it nicely fits. Okay, good. We can also center it up, and let's also add our name. We can just also duplicate the layer. Just right click and click duplicate layer to save us a lot of time. So let's do that, and click the type tool again, and just change it to your name. You can make it a bit bigger. Click OK. Now let's click the move tool and let's center it up. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can customize pretty quickly these covers to whatever you want. And now in order to save it, just go to the file, save, and you can save it as a PNG or JPEG. I would recommend JPEG. JPEG is good because it doesn't weigh that much. PNG is much better quality, but it weighs much more in kilobytes. So I'll just go JPEG, click OK, and just save it on your desktop. And then you can turn it into a 3D image. And in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to turn this 2D flat image of the Ecover into 3D. So that's pretty much it. Also, I recommend you to actually save the project. So if you go to save, after you save as a JPEG, also save it as a PXD. It's a layered Pixlr image. What it does, basically, if you want to edit later on the text on it, on this cover, you can just load your PXD file, and all these layers you just created will be reloaded. So it will save you a lot of time. So make sure to always save the PXD file. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.